Hey everyone, welcome back. I came to Publix to do the deals for February 3rd through February 9th or February 4th through February 10th, depending on where you're located. This morning I woke up, I checked my Ibotta, and I had some bonuses pop up. I had a $10 cashback bouquet bonus when I do 36 offers. I'm not going to complete that today, obviously. And then I had a download the browser extension on my computer and then get a $5 bonus, which I did do. And it says redeem one offer for $5. So I don't know if that means on my phone or I have to do it on the computer. Hopefully it's on my phone, so when I submit that receipt, it'll cover some of the cost of these food items that I'm picking up. And then I have the box top, which is download the box top app and scan a receipt with the box top item, eligible item, and get back $4. So I will do that. Also, a Google Doc link down below, even for some items that I'm not grabbing. So I'm going to go ahead and take it to the store, and then we'll go over the final numbers at the end. First deal I'm going to grab are the Birch Benders Pancake and Waffle Mix, are BOGO this week. These are priced at $5.99, the protein, and then the ketos are priced at BOGO at $6.99. I'm going to grab one of these, half BOGO, for $2.99. I have a digital for $1 off of one. I will pay $1.99. Ibotta will give me back $1, making the final cost just 99 cents. So we have an Ibotta rebate for the Nivea Shave Foam for 80 cents back on each one. So I'm going to pick up two for $4.38. We have this $2 off of two that came in the 131 Smart Source. Again, if I don't mention where the coupon came from, it will be in the Google Doc. So $2 is going to bring me down to $2.38. I'm going to get back $1.60 on Ibotta, bringing me down to 78 cents. But on my Ibotta haul video that I posted, I picked up one of the shave bombs at Walmart. So they are offering back a 75-cent bonus when you pick up two separate unique offers. So I will get that 75 cents back, making my final cost 3 cents for two of these. General Mills cereal is BOGO at $3.87. I'm going to grab one of the Kicks BOGO for $1.93. Ibotta is going to give me back 50 cents for buying one. Then it is attaching to a 10-cent any rebate for 60 cents back, making it $1.33. There is a bonus on Ibotta for download the box top app and then scan a receipt to the app, and they'll give you back $4 within 48 hours. So after the $1.33, I'll get the $4 bonus, making it completely free, and a $2.67 moneymaker. The Quaker Captain Crunch is BOGO at $4.79. I'm going to pick up one at $2.39. I'm going to use this 75 cent off of one that I printed from coupons.com, and my final cost will be $1.64 for one. So this morning I checked my digital coupons on the app, and I had a free coupon pop up for the Progresso toppers, so I'll grab one for $3.79. The digital will take off the complete price, making it completely free. I'm going to grab two of the Ray's no sugar added barbecue. This week they are BOGO at $3.49. I'm going to use this $1 off of two. I will pay $2.49 in the store, and then Ibotta will give me back 50 cents for each one, making the final cost $1.49, or about 75 cents each. That rebate is expiring soon, so I'm sorry if you guys can't get that deal quick enough. But we still have the $1 off of two, so you'll just pay $2.49 if your rebate is gone and you decide to pick this up. So the Frank's Red Hot Sauce, it does include the wings and the thick sauce, are BOGO at $3.69. I'm going to pick up two of the wing sauce. This is a 12 ounce. I have this $1 off of two manufacturer. It does say off of 12 ounce or larger, so my total will be $2.69 for both. The Heinz tomato ketchup is BOGO this week at $3.87. I believe if you pick up one, the price is like $1.92. But if you come over here, we have the Hunt's ketchup. This 32 ounce is $2.49. And we have $1 off any Hunt's ketchup. So I'm going to pick up a 32 ounce, use that $1 off from the Publix green flyer, and my total will be $1.49. This week, the bigger jars of Hellmann's mayo, the 24 or 30 ounce, are BOGO at $5.81. So you can pick up two. We have $1 off of one manufacturer coupons. Your total will be $3.81 for two big jars. And then these do count towards the fetch offer that we have right now for spend $15, get $5 back in points. But I did the smaller jars last week, so I'm going to skip that deal, but it will be down in the Google Doc if you guys are interested. The Hidden Valley dips and the seasoning packets are 2 for $2 this week. We have $1 off of two manufacturer coupons, so picking up two will make my final cost $1 or just 50 cents each. This week, the Purex crystals are BOGO at $4.79. I'm going to pick up one, half BOGO, for $2.39. I'll use this $1 off of one. I'll pay $1.39, then Ibotta will give me back $1, making the final cost just 39 cents for one. If you want to pick up both, that breakdown will be linked in the Google Doc. I did this deal last week. The Quaker Rice Crisp are BOGO at $3.29. I really liked the salt and lime, but they don't have it. So I'm going to pick up a caramel and a cheddar, and then I'm going to use this dollar off of 2 that I printed from coupons.com. That'll make my final cost $2.29 for both, or about $1.15 each. The Pringles Potato Crisps are BOGO at $1.89. I'm going to pick up 2 for $3. I'm going to pick up 4 for $3.78. I'm going to use this dollar off of 4. I'll be left to pay $2.78 for all 4, or about 69 cents each. I'm in the personal care section. I'm going to try to get another 5,000 points on Fetch. So I'm going to pick up 2 of the Dove shampoo, priced at $3.99. 2 of them will bring me to $7.98. I'm going to use the 2 off of 2 that came in the Publix green flyer, and this 2 off of 2 that I printed from the Dove website. They send me emails. I did link that in the Google Doc last week, and I will link it again. I'll be left to pay $3.98 in the store. Ibotta will give me back $1 each, making it $1.98, and that's before we get the Fetch reward points back. So my store doesn't have any more of the Suave Kids shampoo, so I'm going to pick up 2 of the detanglers at $2.69. 2 of them will bring me to $5.38. I'm going to use 2 of the $1.50 off of ones. These expire on Saturday the 6th, and this dollar off of 1, that'll leave me to pay a final cost of $1.38 for both. And these do count towards the Fetch offer, so I'm going to give you the breakdown for the 2 Dove and the 2 Suave Kids. Total for these 4 products before coupons is $13.36. I have $8 in coupons. I will pay $5.36 in the store. I'll get back $2 on Ibotta, making it $3.36. And then I have money towards my spend 15, get 5,000 points on Fetch already. So this will get me that extra $5, making the final cost completely free and $1.64 moneymaker. Last week when I submitted my receipt, I had to correct my receipt. That was about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and then my receipt didn't get corrected until 7 o'clock the next morning, but I did get those points. So Pampers baby wipes are on sale this week for $5.99. I think the sensitive are always $5.99, but if you like these kind, we have this $2 off of 1 that came in the Publix baby booklet, and it'll make your final cost just $3.99 for a 3-pack. The Sargento shredded cheese is BOGO this week at $4.79. I have this dollar off of 2. That'll make my final cost just $3.79. Last deal I'm going to grab is the Tyson Anytizers. These are BOGO this week for $9.49. So I'm going to pick up 2. I'm going to use this $2.50 off of 2 that came from the Publix green flyer, and $1.25 off of 1 manufacturer coupon. That'll leave me to pay $5.74 in the store. I will get back 85 cents for each one on Ibotta for a total of $1.70, making the final cost just $4.04, or $2.02 each, which is a really good deal considering these are almost $10 each. I made it back home from Publix. These are all of the items that I picked up. I also picked up the Tyson Anytizers, 2 of them, and 2 of the Sargento cheese for a total of 28 items and a retail value of around $104. Let's go ahead and go over the receipt and figure out how much we actually paid. 2 of the Suave detanglers, 2 of the Nivea foam. This is a Quaker Crisp, 2 of the Dove shampoo, the ranch dips, 4 of the Pringles. Those are 3 of the Pringles, the ketchup, the Tyson, the 4th Pringle, 2 of the cheese, the Progresso topper. These are the Sweet Baby Ray's, the Purex Crystals, the Frank's Buffalo Sauce. This is the Birch Benders, the General Mills Kix cereal. This is the Quaker Captain Crunch. He hit total before he scanned my manufacturer coupons, so my digitals came off first, and then I had a problem with the Pringles coupon that I will mention to you guys. But I had 2 Paper Kids Suave shampoo, so he did manually put the second one in because I didn't notice that my digitals had came off first and needed that he put that coupon through manually, so I had an extra $1.50 come off. All of my other manufacturer coupons came off just fine. So here you can see I had the dollar off of 4 paper coupon, so I said I wanted to use that instead of the digital, so he subtracted the digital, their dollar digital for the Pringles that he canceled, but then he gave me back my paper coupon. So I don't really know what happened. All I know is I was supposed to have 17 paper coupons come off and only 16 came off, and he gave me back the $1 Pringle coupon, but he also canceled both on here, so nothing came off for the Pringles. I just went on over to customer service, and I will insert a digital receipt right here that shows they gave me back the $1.02. So my subtotal was $37.96, plus tax was $40.45. I got back the $1.02 off the final cost, so my subtotal was $37.96 $6.94. I had a $66.14 savings coming out of the store. On Ibotta, I got back the regular rebates, $8.90. My receipt is still pending, so I'm going to tell you guys what I should get back. I got back $8.90 for the regular rebates. I should get back the 75-cent for the Nivea bonus. I did download and submit my receipt to Box Top for the extra $4. That should come back to my account within 72 hours. I think I said 48 hours in the video, but when I clicked on it, it said 72 hours. So the $5 bonus for downloading the browser on my computer, I could redeem one offer on my phone, so I should get that $5 back also for a total of $18.65 on Ibotta. And then on Fetch, I got back 5,171 points, or $5.17. I did have to correct my receipt again because it was not picking up all the offers. All you have to do is turn your product around and you can see where it says it's a Unilever product. So these do count, and then the Dove does also. Right there it says Unilever. So a total of $23.82 in rebates. When I take that away from my $36.94 subtotal, that makes all 28 items that I picked up just $13.12. That's freaking awesome considering the price of everything that I picked up. Retail value is a little over $100. That does bring us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you want, there is a Google Doc link down below. I will see you in the next one.